Today, I'm out here with my nephew Danny, and we're hunting the California ground squirrel, or we call them grave diggers. They're an invasive squirrel, and they negatively impact the native wildlife. And this farmer has horses and cattle that can break their legs in the holes that these squirrels dig. Then up above is a cherry orchard, where the squirrels will destroy the cherry trees. And for this job, I'll be using my FX Impact M3 22 cal air rifle, and my nephew will be using my wife's Ruger Charger 1022, which I've turned into a short barrel rifle. If you're interested, I'll put the full specs in the description.
Right in the head. He's down. 95 yards, 1.4 mils on the dial. Level it out. Hit.
One right faces here. Yep.
Nope, go for it. There's a bunch right there, dude. Oh shit, I'm still dialed.
I was just feeling full trigger on that one too.
Yeah, I'm not sure where it's at. I think I got it, even though I didn't see it sitting there. It's in the scope view. 102 yards, 1.9. My dial. Headshot. Now I'm gonna dial back down so I don't forget. 102 yards, right in the head. $62 yards.
Oh, I see the other one.
Down. Okay, go for it.
Oh, you. Me.
Oh.
Okay. Hold up. What the fuck?
Oh, it died. Okay, I'm gonna take him.
Yeah.
Got him.
There's one on top. I don't see another one though.
Yeah, the one on the left bolted.
You got it?
Nope, ready when you are. Sounded good.
Oh yeah, he's struggling. See him?
Nope, but I see the other one just popped up.
Yeah.
Damn it, dude. I gotta stop dialing. Down.
Oh, the close rock?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I see him.
You want him?
You go for it. I'm aiming to the...
Down.
I was looking at one of those trees over there. Rock.
No, but is he in the stump?
Yeah, he's inside of it, like tucked in on the back right side.
Go for it. I saw him go up and over.
Yeah, he's right here. Just fell over it there.
So that squirrel that jumped over the stump, it right there and died. It's crazy. Down. Yeah, last time I sat underneath this tree, found a tick crawling on me.
I haven't gotten one yet.
You gotta hear starling. I hear a couple of them. Starlings take priority because they're so hard to get. There's one just eating in the back of that truck. And another one. I'm gonna leave those guys alone right now. Starling at 68 yards, 0.4. How in the world? Go for it. Hit the fence. Got one. Got the other one. Got him.
I lined up. Shoot. See him?
Yep, ready when you are. Got him. You're holding top of his head and it went over? Dude, this is what? Oh, here we go. Straight through him, dude. Down. 73.6. Down. $104 yards, 2 mils. Hit. You got him? Got him on the railroad track, or that wood pile to the left. Ready?
That's crazy.
Dude, how is there not a shit ton of squirrels in there?
The best hiding spot ever.
.7. Down, headshot. That was a solid hit. down, dude. I didn't even see him.
Oh, damn it. I thought you were aiming at this one right here.
No, dude, I didn't see that one on the tree running down it.
Yeah, that's the one I was talking about. Oh, man. Yeah, that one too.
Oh, that one's the one I shot just a second ago flipping.
He's still going for a while.
There's some down there on that log I'm gonna try and get.
I don't know if they moved or not, but.
That guy was like at 15 yards. You gonna go for it?
I'll go for it.
If you want to.
I'll try it.
The one that's out there?
I'll try it.
Okay.
I think we both hit. Try to get the head of this one, but I don't want to miss and hit the fucking rock.
I'm gonna try for his head.
Yeah, I'll watch. Oh yeah. Fucking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I think he felt that. Oh, he's still there. $106 yards, or shoot, I forgot what it was. 1.6 mils.
Yeah, 1.6 mils.
Down.
You said 106 yard. I was getting 97. I'm probably missing.
Gone. Oh.
That's probably the loudest one today.
Down. $72 yards, 0.5.
Ooh.
Gone.
Texas hurt shot. Oh, he followed me.
That was a full-on noggin shot.